welcome, MW Game Trading Crypto, welcome retail fan, welcome Sunday night. For me, every day is a day, so the ones that are joining in, well, you can probably expect a lot of alpha and a lot of info, how to make money, how to protect your money. There just ain't nobody better than what we do. It's just that simple. Push the like, share the video as much as you can, especially on Twitter, so a lot of people can join in and also make some money instead of losing money and getting wrecked by following influencers, shillers instead of marketing experts, instead of traders that are only focused on making money. It's that simple. By the way, I've got this chart for you to open up first. Guys, I haven't seen this for a very long time. This thing is, by the way, I showed you guys this one like 2 days ago, I think. 2 days? Yesterday? No, the day before, I think. I showed you guys this coin. It's a 271 million market cap, fully diluted also, on a 1.5 billion volume. Boom, boom. So, we're gonna talk about it in a bit. I'm gonna show you guys some other altcoins also on pretty high volume, so you guys can trade them tonight, tomorrow, in the morning, so you can make some money on them using the indicator. So we're gonna talk about the market open, what to expect, where are we going, are we gonna pump, is it gonna be a Monday pump, or is it not? How to make money as a trader 2025, and how fast can you become a millionaire? Well, let's see. That's based on your skills and the amount of money that you're willing to put in. So push the like, share the video as much as you can. Let the music. Well, the music is running while I was talking, but you guys could hear me anyway. I'll be back in a moment. Boom, boom. Okay, thank you. What do we got before we gonna dive into the markets? What do we got? I got Fastlane, Muhammad Ali, Hans Heinz, Boris Nanjara. We got Alforiano, Zupak, Daft Brick. We got Asian Natasha, Top Dog, the moderator. Respect, bro, respect. Shout out to Top Dog, Egon, Minkas. We got Bash Hussain. Shout out to Bash Hussain, the moderator. Walid. We got Medic. What do I got? We got El Floriano, we got Biggie, Diane, we got Skolsota, we got Elena, we got Snowy, we got Loyal, we got Danny Dix, we got John Fornham, we got Mario, the truck driver, we got Sean Mario Peters, we got Tog, Loyal, Trojan Virus, Cockroaches. Cockroaches are everywhere, bro. They're really everywhere. Rosieville, Roy Gruer, Agent, Amira, Salsera on tour, welcome, Ima, Spell, Mad Dog, John, welcome, bro, welcome on a Sunday evening. What do we got? We got Rob McCord. What do we got? Mantas, we got Amiros, we got Vaughn, we got Ali Akbar, Ali Akbar Bandali. I'm training on it, bro. I'm training on it to get it right. Ali Akbar Bandali, Ali Akbar. What do I got? I love that name. Spaceman. What do we got? We got Agent, music. Yeah, music. I was talking into the mic, so you guys should have been hearing me. So either way, CB. What do I got? Brief Pop, X Claro, Alco Pop, Sandy C, Manta Studios. We got Mamar, bonjour. Okay, so let's go. That's it. So first of all, this Hive, by the way, guys, Hive, I talked about it, I think 2 days ago. I showed you guys this thing is showing power, it's showing volume. And this is why it's so important when I share those coins, listen, there are like 10 coins, 20 coins, 15 coins, but you'll always catch like 2, 3, 4 of them that make moves like this, or moves down, by the way. But listen, okay, this is 1.5 billion volume. So this is, by the way, also fundamentally a very solid project, Hive. So this is no meme coin or whatever. It's a smart platform, I think. Yeah, it's something. What was it? It was, yeah. Hive is a Web3-oriented blockchain offering rapid no-cost transaction and decentralized structure. It simplifies user interaction with easy-to-remember usernames and supports a diverse ecosystem through DGF and HBD stablecoin, whatever. So they also got a stablecoin. Okay. Hive's community-driven approach underpins its expansive range of applications and projects. I sound like Altcoin Daily now. I really sound like Altcoin. Guys, there is a new project. And then Cointelegraph. Well, Hive is a Web3 oriented blockchain offering rapid no-cost transactions and decentralized structure. On the American accent, you know, yeah. Let's watch that. Let's watch that. Yeah, let's all of us go together and watch that crap. He's reading us what we can read ourselves. Maybe those million followers of Altcoin Daily are blind people, you know. Maybe so they need to hear it instead of reading it themselves. I don't know. Either way. So good for them. If they have like 1 million blind people following them so they can hear what's going on in crypto. So over here, this was the ramp up, test, ramp up, test, boom. There she went. So, guys, 1.5 billion is a lot, by the way. So just keep an eye on this one. You know, don't ape in, don't FOMO in. Just wait for it and then trade it on the lower time frames. So first of all, guys, we're going to talk about a little bit market open because that's the most important part. If the markets, it depends on how the markets will open. It also will tell us what direction we're heading into in crypto. Tomorrow is going to be red, it's going to be green. Are we going to pump? Not pump. Let's see. First of all, I'm gonna start with Nvidia, by the way. Nvidia, my baby. Nvidia. Guys, I wanna show you guys this. If this is going to be a double top on Nvidia, okay. Let me just say this. I was at the charts. By the way, guys, for the ones that are interested in ANA and in Fartcoin, I did something that I usually don't do. I took you with me through a trading mindset. Also with a live yesterday, I took you with me on a journey. It was just so you guys would understand how professional traders operate in trades. They don't give a damn about this, that, whatever. They just focus on creating green P&Ls. That's all they care about. They don't care if a coin makes a 100x, 200x, 1000x, or goes down to zero. They just don't give a damn. They don't give a crap if Bitcoin is bullish, bearish, if crypto is the new future, we're going to the moon, Traders just don't care. A trader, you have to see it like this. A trader wakes up in the morning, does his routine, and then he goes to his charts. He opens up his computer or his laptop or his desktop, or whatever it is, and then the only focus in his head is, how am I going to make money today? He doesn't care if he's gonna make it up or he's gonna make it down. He's gonna make it silent. The only thing, a focus a trader's got, he needs to make money that day. That's it. There's nothing more, nothing less. So let's just make clear that retailers in crypto, 99.9999 are no traders. They call themselves traders, or they want to be traders, or I don't know what. A butcher wants to be a trader. Car salesman wants to become a trader. A teacher wants to be a trader. It's It doesn't work like that. Because you can only be a trader. If you want to be a trader, you need to be trained. You need to be trained, and you need to change your whole mindset in your head. And that's what I just explained. A trader doesn't give a crap about fundamentals, about crypto, about gold, about Wall Street, about the US 5, about Nvidia. He doesn't care. He just doesn't care. A trader only cares about open up his computer and he's gonna make money. And then when he made that money, he closed the damn computer and then he goes to sleep. And then he'll do it again and again and again and again and again, just like I have been showing you guys for months and years and months and years. So I took you guys this weekend with me on this ANA trade and also on this fart coin that has been exploding to 600% already on the 30 or 35x. So I took you guys in this journey. So there was one guy, listen, MW, what should we do? What are you talking about? I told you exactly, I told you exactly on Fartcoin, okay, here is where the team will start shorting. This is it. Now, let's see how strong those fart bulls are. Here, they're gonna start shorting. And that's also what they did, exactly when I shared it. So that's when they started. So if you would just do the same, you would also have that 600 if you would trade on 30x or 35x. But you would have the same. And the ANA trade, I even made a live stream about it. Into details. And then what I even did, that's even more sick, is I shared at the exact moment when it hit that 28th, whatever, over here, team, take profits from Fartcoin, flip them into ANA shorts. So don't even use your own money. Just use the money of the exchanges. Take money, take from that fart, close like 25, 30%, and use that money and flip it again into a short of ANA. And what happened later? Fartcoin started bouncing up, and ANA at that moment exactly started coming down again. So boom, boom, they made money from closing that short. They made money from the short on that went down from, and you know, I give you guys exactly how and you know why I did this weekend? Because, you know, you have to understand this. I'm exposing myself this way. Because why? Because market makers could hunt me down. They could hunt me down. So I'm exposing at that moment exactly why I do what I do, why you should do what you do, why go short, why flip, why take profits, why enter again, at what level, exact level you go in, at what exact level to go out. Guys, there is really, and I mean it, I can swear on everything, there's nobody, really nobody that does what I do. Nobody. And when I say nobody, there's nobody. And if you know someone that does what I do, DM me, show me this guy. I'm very interested. So back to the market update. So Nvidia, guys, this double is really scary. So this double, if this thing, by the way, if this thing bounces up to the double, this is bullish because only this move up could create some more bullishness in the market. So let me go to the US 500, by the way, guys. So first of all, we closed past, what is it? We closed past, oh, you guys are not seeing the numbers. Wait a minute. Look where those numbers are. You see where they are? Here are the numbers. I hope you guys can see the numbers now. Je m'excuse, retail fam, je m'excuse. You should see the numbers now. So, listen. So, look at this, guys. Look at this. This boom, boom. These are some serious resistance levels over here. Normally, we have Mondays are bullish days for Wall Street. Wall Street likes to pump on Mondays. Usually on Tuesday, Wednesday, they like to dump it a bit. And on Thursday, Friday, they like to pump again. So that's just Wall Street. But let's keep in mind that we're hitting some serious resistance over here. And you can, oh yeah, we've got our Sheldon trend line. Look. We've got our Sheldon trend line over here. So yeah, maybe it could even break through, and then we get resistance over here. So, but listen, guys. So this is over here. We got some resistance. So first of all, we need to break this one. If we break this one, then you got over here. So we are in a sort of bearish trend, by the way, on US 500. We got this beautiful double, by the way. I really love this one. I really love this one. This double. Predicted this also. So the strong bounce came. So let's see how this is going to play out. And to calculate this a bit, you have to also keep an eye on this one, the DXY. So the DXY, what is the DXY is ramping up like crazy. So I got something for the Forex traders also, by the way. I've got something for the Forex traders also today. But you know, I cannot make these vids too long. But listen, guys, look at this. Look at this. This DXY. It could come back to the indie, but this is also, so only this move down could create some more bounces up on crypto on the market. So keep this also in mind, because we are not there yet. We are not there yet. There's some space for those ones. I wanted to show you guys something else for the Forex traders, by the way. Forex traders, keep an eye on this one. Keep an eye on this one. It's all I have to say. Keep an eye on this one. Yen against the dollar. Keep this in mind. If this thing dumps down back into this box again, because you have to see it like this. This was 1990, guys. 1990 when we hit this low. So we hit it. For the ones that follow me, we made a lot of money here. But it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. So for the ones interested in Forex, keep an eye on this one. And yeah. By the end of the night, tell me, well. Okay, so enough about that. Let me show you guys something else. Okay, MicroStrategy is hitting some resistance over here. Let me see how is USDT dominance looking like. Okay, we're getting rejected over here on the 4 hour. Back to this line again. So this line. Put my alarm here. So this is important. Okay, so all the charts that I'm checking right now, they're all showing this space for another rise up, a small temporary rise up. So keep that in mind. So everything that I'm charting over here, same here. PEX, you see how it all comes together. It's when you chart this, it's all connected. Everything is connected. So it's a masterpiece. It's like looking at some Van Gogh, or like in the Netherlands they have Rembrandt. Like you're watching the night watch. How do you say the night watch? In Dutch is the Nachtwacht. But if you like art, by the way, most of you guys will probably like NFTs, some drunken monkey or whatever. So listen. So. Or Bored Ape. So listen, guys. So over here, this is also the same. We've got this tiny space for some bounce up, but keep in mind that those bounces up, Game Trading Crip will probably strike hard. I'm just saying. So the shorts will probably get filled, and they will get filled very strong. So keep that in mind. So, but for now, let's see what Bitcoin, just like shared. Over here, we got the rejection. I told you in the weekend we'll probably get this wick down. Well, we had this wick down. Yes, I know, guys. It's scary. Every time when I make an analyze or prediction and it comes out again and again and again and again. And sometimes you guys will get bored by me because I get it right every time. So maybe sometimes we'll get shocked when I get it wrong. But, you know, we hit it over here. We came back. And now we got this beautiful bounce up towards the market open tonight. So let's see. So we're holding very strong over here. Altcoins are also bouncing nicely from this one. And talking about altcoins, it's time for altcoins. Enough about this crap. Enough about this. So what did I say now? What did I say the past 10 minutes? I'm expecting some bounce up towards some serious resistance levels. And then, well, it's time to strike again. So Hype. Oh my God, this Hype. So let me go to the top 10 coins on volume. Maybe you can catch the next Hive. But I think that Hive, based on this pump, I think that Hive could go even higher with the volume going on also. But let me just say, you see my alarm set over here. I know that you guys see them. So over here, be very careful. This is where you have to be careful. So if some FOMO hits in, let me put it. Oh no, we're testing the 15 minutes, by the way, now. This could dump it down. But if this thing breaks up now and holds above the Indy, you might see the next big move up, guys. Keep this in mind, guys. So if this thing breaks up, holds above the Indy, this could go. Okay, so enough about that. I need to show you guys the coins on volume so you guys can benefit from it. By the way, for the ones that bought in for my box that I shared here, I think weeks ago, congrats on Hive. So first of all, first coin, CTXC, Cortex. Also charted this a lot of times. This, guys, is a low market cap. There's some serious volume going on also on this CTXC. So I think this was AI related. I think do some research, but guys, keep an eye on the CTXC. Some serious volume is hitting in. Big dump, by the way. Huge dump. Let me just say this, guys. I didn't see it because I would give the call for a short over here. Definitely give this call. I haven't seen it. So next one, we already talked about this one. CVC, Civic is still showing some serious volume. So guys, keep an eye. Just maybe. I'm just saying. So I'm just saying this coin is showing still some nice volume. So put it on the lower time frame. Keep an eye on this CVC. I told you. We got this band. This band is, I think this is a meme coin comedian. Yeah, I think Top Dog and Mario would be interested in this coin. It's a guess. Maybe this is something for you guys. This band. So also showing some serious volume over here, holding here over here, this dump. This is a meme coin, so keep an eye. This is the indicator over here, so keep an eye. Around 83, it's gonna be resistance. So, but some serious volume on this band, whatever it is. This one, this Degen, also the guys, this Degen, keep an eye on Degen. Degen made already this really big pump up. This is a huge pump, 70%. Broke above the Indy. I don't know. And based on the chart that I'm eyeing here, are we seeing something like this? Is there a cup and handle in the making over here? I'm just saying. Is this cup and handle in the making over here? Does it want to reach this 25? And this, guys, just keep in mind that Degen, if it wants to go there, it's 75%. Or maybe even more. Around 80%. I don't know. Do your research on Degen. It's showing power. It wants to go up. You got the Indy. By the way, if you don't got the Indy, MW indicator, if you don't own this indicator, trade on Blofin, Weex, or BITUNIX. All three non-KYC exchanges, best exchanges, non-KYC exchanges I know, the best of them. We got our own help desk. Links are below. Open up an account. Put some funds over there. Start trading. Get the MW indicator, DM me your UID. You also get the trading course vids 1, 2, 3, how to leverage trade as a professional, and well, the rest is history. Your start of financial freedom if you do it the right way. Just listen to exactly what I say. So Degen, guys, keep an eye on this Degen, whatever it is. Ark. I've talked about Ark a lot of times past week, guys. I'm telling you, keep an eye on this Ark thing. This thing is, I think I was talking about Ark over here somewhere. Ark is already hit 82 cents from where I was talking. You had a double. I'm not that bullish on altcoins. You really have to catch me. By the way, full disclosure, I don't own any of these coins. I trade coins, but I don't own any of them. I don't know anyone from these altcoins. I pick them randomly based on tokenomics and based on volume. So if you are a trader, you want to be trading coins that you can make the most profits on, up and down. That's what I'm showing you now. So that's what I'm showing. So do your research on that one. So Ark, keep an eye on Ark, because Ark is also showing some lovely volume. And then we got this AGLD, I don't know what's it. Let me check this AGLD, by the way, guys, because this AGLD is starting to get on my nerves. And you know, when I'm gonna give it attention, I haven't yet, but if I'm gonna give it attention, well, it's the end of story for AGLD, I think. So AGLD, guys, 230 million fully diluted M market cap, 271 volume, adventure layer, formerly Adventure Gold, exists within the Loot project ecosystem, Lootverse, which is an open source multimedia NFT project where community members such as artists, developers, animators, writers, and musicians can create content and utility based on the Loot's first NFT collection, Loot for Adventure. So this is not only NFT, this is also some you know, project where community members, so some rich artists or whatever, they can decide to do whatever with this AGLD so they can make even more money than they already do. Basically, that's it. So these guys are already making a lot of money as artists and they want to make even more. They want also whatever NFT collection out there. Well, let me tell you this, Mr. AGLD. I think that when you're going to get attention of M. Will Killer, you know what to do. That's all I have to say. So keep an eye on AGLD, guy. Keep an eye on AGLD. I'm not going to give it attention yet, by the way. So next one, Hunt. I don't know. Hunt. Some solid volume going on Hunt. You want to know Hunt? Hunt. Hunt is doing some crazy stuff. Hunt. I've never heard of it, guys, by the way, Hunt. This is the first time I'm seeing this coin. Hunt. And you know, it's really showing some lovely volume. Listen what I'm gonna say now. This is an 83 million market cap with a volume of almost 300 million. So this is some really serious volume hitting in on this Hunt. Hunt is a native utility token of the Hunt platform, a decentralized community-driven ecosystem based on the Steem. Because Steem is coming up. We already did Steem like 2 days ago, and Steem is doing great ever since that moment. But Hunt is related to Steem. By the way, guys, we're going to Steem, but this Steem, there's something going on with Steem. Let's forget about this Hunt crap, whatever. Okay, 83 million, a lot of volume. Okay, so we need to go directly to Steem. What's going on with Steem? Okay, they heard me, probably gonna make a lot of money, so they decided to block my chart. Oh, there it is. Guys, Steem. Guys, Steem. I'm telling you, something is going on with Steem. I already talked about it several times now. I was showing you this Steem crap, but listen, guys. First of all, listen. Altcoin Daily, you know? Listen. Steem is a blockchain-based social media platform that incentivizes content creation. It rewards users with cryptocurrency for participating and contributing to the platform, designed to be a decentralized alternative to traditional social media. Steem focuses on community engagement and content monetization. Oh my God, Steem. I really have no clue what they're doing. Okay, no, but guys, this is serious, guys. 152, you know, I know numbers, I know charts. I don't give a crap about fundamentals. I'm only looking how to make money. I want to make you guys a 4-5x on a spot back, and I want to make you guys the 3,000 P&L on leverage. Listen, guys, 152 on almost 500 million. Oh my God, guys. This thing is ramping up. This thing is looking for it. So since I talked about it, let's see. When I talked about it, it was on the indie, I think. It should be 2 days ago. So it should be on the indie. Listen, we had over here this bump up. Okay, nice. Dump down. Okay. Hold. That's where you have to focus. Boom, up. So if you traded this only on the daily, you could have made almost 50%. Let me put it on the 4 hour. How is it looking like for? So this was the bump over here, rejected, rejected, up, back. This would be no entry. So on the 4 hour, you could not trade this. On the 1 hour, yes, on the 1 hour, you could have traded this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's why this is an exact example how I want all of you to make money. This is how I want you to make money. MW tells you Steem is showing volume, just like I told you about all those coins. Because, you know, there's one social, by the way, I need to say this. There's one social media expert here in Dubai, and he wants to work with me. He told me, I'm going to work for free. I want to be your partner. I want to be this. I told him, listen, bro, I have no partners. I'm a lone ranger. I've always been alone. Well, okay, just let me help you, this and that. And then he told me, you know, when you make those live streams, you have to tell people that this coin is going to do, when you see some coin, tell them that it's going to do a 50x or 100x and that they're going to get rich and buy their first Lambo or first luxury car or whatever that they want. You have to tell them that, because when you tell them that, you'll get more views. People will stick with you. They will not leave the live stream. They will just stay with you, and you will get, he told me, guaranteed the biggest influences in crypto, because why? You're about the only one that nails all his predictions. It's just that people don't know who you are. People cannot find you. He told me, that's my job. I'm going to make sure everyone finds you, but this is what you have to do. I told him, go fuck yourself. So let's go further. That was another story. So this guy, Steem, listen, look at the indie. Rejected, rejected, rejected. This is about the best. This is the indicator. I told you guys a lot of times that the indicator is at his best on high volume. This is also why I keep showing you guys these top 10 coins on volume that you need to trade. So why is this so freaking important? Because it's how you gotta make those huge P&Ls. Because look, this is about the best you can get. So look at this. Rejected, 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 rejected. You wait for it. Because why? Because there's big volume going on. MW talked about it 2 days ago. Over here, confirmation above it. Okay, you could have entered over here. You could have waited over here. Look at this. Hold, because do you know what you're seeing over here? This is probably this way, this that you see is probably when Bitcoin started coming down. But when you see it coming down to the indicator and you see Bitcoin still dropping, but you see Steem holding the line, just like it's you have to see it like this. It's these trading bots on those exchanges, on those leverage exchanges. What they're doing is, those trading boards are holding the line. So they start bidding. That's what you're seeing over here. Bidding. Why? They want to keep it above the indicator. Although Bitcoin is dropping. So they're just waiting for Bitcoin to drop, to find some bottom and start bouncing up. That's all that's exactly what you're seeing over here. So what you're seeing over here you had this dump. This is just a dump. The bots dropping Steem together with Bitcoin, because you got, when Bitcoin drops, you have to see it like this on those leverage exchanges. There are a lot of bots that when Bitcoin start dropping, they start pushing the price of Steem down. But when you see, while Bitcoin is dropping, you see Steem holding the line, because you don't have to watch 20, 30, 40 coins, because I share with you about 7, 8, 9, 10 coins that you need to keep an eye on. And when you keep an eye on it, you can manage to keep an eye. So when you see this, hold. Oh my God. For 4 hours long, they've been holding the 1 hour. So, because this is your entry. This is your entry. This is your entry. And you don't even have to watch it. So you were waiting for it to come above the indie. It came above the indie. Your entry, and you put your stop loss, let's say a little bit here. You put your stop loss over here. So if it goes down, well, whatever, I'm gonna lose a small loss. But you seeing this? Comes back, and now it's all back again. Just saying, it's mind-blowing. So Steem, keep an eye on Steem, guys. So let me go to the next one. Let me go to the next one. The next one is STG. I also already talked about this 2 days ago. It was on the list. Do you remember? When it was also same story, up on the indicator. Hold, bump, hold, bump, 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 bump. Do you understand how important it is when I do my update about coins on volume? You gotta see this. You gotta see those big rises up. Look at the 1 hour. Look, do you guys think that I'm painting this indicator on this chart? I am not. It was here already. Look at this. It was just like Steem. Below it, below it, below it, below it, below it, below it. Boom! Above, entry. Retest perfectly. There we go. Hold, hold, hold. Over here, this was your exit. Take profits. Over here, in again. Boom, 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 boom. Hold, hold. Boom, 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 boom. And it's that simple. Just focus on 2-3 coins. So when I do 10 coins on volume, just choose 2-3 of them, put your indicator on, sit at it, and make money. It's that simple. Guys, okay, that's enough about those altcoins. These are the altcoins that I had to share, guys. So keep an eye on them. Trade them on volume. You gotta make a lot of money. I know that you gotta. If you do it the right way, you gotta make a lot of money. It's that simple. Let me show you guys other coins that are also talked about. Other coins. You got like this Ark. It's this pump and dump. It's a meme coin. It's going like crazy. We've got another one. What is that other one that I wanted to show you guys? SXP is also still ramping up. So that's also, we've got this Fala also holding the line for now. What do we got more? What do I got more? What do I got more? What do I got more? So that's about it. By the way, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. So I'm going to say just like it is. I'm just going to say it. I think that within a week, max 2 weeks, I really think that gain trading crypto is going to kill it. And I think that the shorts, the big shorts are building. And I think that the accumulating zone is close. So I think that it's not going to be a lot more time before big shorts will start building. And I think that the gains will be massive on the shorts. I really think so. I really think that the gains will be. You just have to wait. Just wait for the perfect timing and then strike hard. So I just wanted to get this off my chest. I think that some big moves down are coming. So I'm just saying. So I'm gonna. By the way, I'm gonna make a list. It will be a list of maybe 20-30 altcoins from which the team also Gain Trading kept asking me to make. I'm gonna make a list of 20-30 altcoins from which I think that you can short the crap out and maybe become financially independent from. This list will not be listed on Twitter. Why? There's a reason for that. Because they could hunt the retail members down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share this list on Telegram in the free private group. By the way, if you want to join the free private group, when you trade active normally on BITUNIX, Blofin or Weex, DM me your UID and you'll get access to the leverage trading vids. And that's also where you get a lot of info from Sid, my buddy Sid. It's the biggest mind about macro analysis. So anything that you're not reading in the news, this guy shares it in the group. So he'll gives you a lot of education and charts also. But it's this list of altcoins. It will be, I think, between 20 and 30 altcoins that I'm really eyeing for this big short. And I know for sure that the team will definitely make 6 figures, minimum 6 figures out of that list. I know they will do. I know they will. They always do. So why wouldn't they do? So that's just bait. But guys, it's about timing. So you have to. It's something I have to time. So it's not gonna happen. Maybe I'll tell you it's tomorrow. It could be, or the day after tomorrow. But for now, I have to see it first. I'm not seeing it now. For now, what I'm seeing is we're chopping around. Maybe even bounce a bit more. It's based on this one tomorrow, basically, first of all. So crypto is looking a bit bouncy, but this one, this is, by the way, this weekly candle is bullish, is a hammer that you're seeing over. Let me use this one maybe that you can see. This is really, look at this. Look at this holding, look at this. Look how bullish the US 500 is. Look how bullish. This is madness, by the way, guys. So keep in mind that we already had these red candles down, tested the indicator. So keep in mind that if this thing wants to run up again, make a new high again, because you know my ultimate target for me is around these levels. For the ones that don't know it, you know it now. So these are my targets. I hope that they would have hit it over here and just come down and get it over with, but they didn't. So they came down over here. But keep in mind that on the bigger time frames, this is looking so bullish. This is looking so super bullish. It's scary to look at. It's really so bullish. This is also a close. It's red. But let me just say this for now, because this is more on the macro. So we closed above the 4-hour Indie, but we've got this one. We've got this. We're going to fight this one. We're going to fight this zone. So this is this box over here. This is where the fight will happen. Is this thing going to break through? Yes or no? Let me put my alarm, by the way. So if we get that one, then this is the next level of resistance after it. But in the meantime, while this happens, if this thing comes ramping up towards this box, or even to this box, altcoins, especially the ones that I showed you guys, they could make really big runs up. For now. Keep that in mind. If we're gonna get rejected, it's another story. But for now, yes. Basically, first of all, Mondays are bullish days, but resistance is resistance. So you have to keep this in mind. So be very careful over here. But, you know, I have to eye it. Maybe on Twitter tonight or tomorrow morning, I can give you some more insights about this one, because this is now resistance. So this would be a rejection down. This would be on the lower time. I'm just talking about the lower time frames now. This should be a rejection down. But let's see. It's Monday. Wall Street is always bullish on Mondays. So I don't know why or how, but keep that in mind. So maybe even if we're gonna bounce a bit, I think that you can make more money on a rejection than on something else. Okay, let me see. Do I've got some question in the chat, because I haven't been watching my chat for a while. I'm just doing my thing. What do we got? Nice story. Nice story. Mohammed, what story is it? What is it? That's exactly why I started following you last year, because you kept it well, didn't show. You know, what should I show you? I really don't know. What should I show you? If I would show you something, it means that I'm gonna destroy you. It means that I'm gonna get you wrecked. It's that simple. Let's see. Is that going banned? Okay, guys. I love you all. Thanks for joining in. I hope that you guys have your altcoins ready. Use the indicator, because I've showed you guys today that you can make a lot of money on those volume coins. You can make a lot of money. Okay, guys, have a nice one. Thank you and bye-bye.